Good morning, welcome everyone.
Hello.
This is Mangi da Noi. Today we are trying to do two important recipes for Italian cooking, and it's a carbonara and amatriciana.
Okay, so now we're gonna try and cook the matriciana sauce. What we do is we have 125 grams of guanciale or bacon if you can find. The best will be have it smoked so it tastes better. And then we're gonna put it into a frying pan. We don't need to really add anything because it's got quite a lot of fat. For the matriciana sauce, the other thing we need will be passata. Yeah, we're using the passata rustica, is 680 grams. That we're gonna add into a saucepan once the guanciale will be ready and caramelized. So the guanciale is now ready. As you can see, is a bit nice and crispy, and it's perfect for our pasta.
It's translucent. You can see it's not overcooked.
So now that the guanciale is ready, we're gonna put it in a saucepan to boil. So we'll need to cook for at least 20 minutes, simmering.
A little bit of salt.
Stir everything. Pinch or two of salt. Pepper.
We will do the carbonara how we do in the Italian way, at Rome, whatever. So we are using 125 grams of guanciale. If you can find in the Italian delicatessen, use bacon or whatever. Diced big, not too small. Put on the pan without any other oil because it's fat, so it will release its own fat. Cooked on a medium flame for 2 or 3 minutes, not too much because otherwise it will be overcooked. Then we have a pecorino here. We are adding salt and pepper. Be generous.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. We take the boiling water from here and we add inside here. It must be like a cream, so I will add
some 3-4 tablespoons. It's good. In the meantime, the guanciale is cooking. We need to turn it around, and we only need to gently beat the egg. And then as soon as the water will boil, we put the pasta in, and then we just combine all together.
Yes.
Yeah. So water is boiling, so we're just gonna add the 80 grams of pasta. Because it's freshly made, it will take just a couple of minutes to cook.
Yes. We add salt.
We add some salt.
The pasta is ready now.
So we're just gonna add it to the guanciale for just to get some of the taste, just for a minute or so.
It's changing color. See?
So all the fat that dissolved and melted is gonna get captured by the pasta now.
Okay. And we add the egg at the end. What do you think?
Yes, go. Make sure you don't cook the egg, so you just
mix.
Keep mixing the pasta. Oops, sorry.
This is
So we're now putting it into the plate. Try and make it as pretty as we can. It smells nice. What do you think?
It's delicious. It's wonderful.
She just can't wait to taste it
once
again.
This is me.
She said make 1 portion, and I was like, no, maybe we should make for 2. So she's just gonna eat it all now. Now, if I'm lucky, I will manage to lick the pan.
Everything is in because it's so delicious that I don't want. È buonissimo.
The rigatoni that we used for the matriciana are ready, so we're gonna put it in a pan, and we're just gonna toss them quickly, and we're gonna add
the sauce.
Some of the sauce that has been cooking for 20 minutes. Combine it together.
More sauce. Look, it's delicious. Get be ready. Just a few minutes to combine, and see you with the picture. Our dish finished. A lot of guanciale on top, pecorino, the sauce, e buon appetito.
Are you tasting it?
Yes.
Come on, show me.
Buono. Delicious. Try. Let us know if you like, suggestion or whatever. Bye! Mangiala che è squisita, buonissima.
È buona?